When making a movie, you can take all the time that you want to create your idea. You can revise, rewrite, and reimagine. And you can shoot a shot as many times as you need until it's perfect. The creativity, it's endless, and everything is possible. But when filming the world, the exact opposite's the truth. Every moment is spontaneous. It's happening once and never again. It's instant, it's above you, in front of you, around you, always moving, always changing, unpredictable, unique. It's nature. Filming something that only happens once, it's unforgettable. In a spontaneous moment at a beautiful location, a creative framing or an intentional positioning, it's all that we can control. One shot, one chance, one idea. And at the end of the day, it's all authentic. It's intentional, it's personal, and it's real. Because you aren't creating a scene or telling your story, but you're documenting an incredible reality.